How can market research increase the chance of successful fashion startups?
After researching the market, what people wanted, what our customers wanted, we knew we had to go down the
more
swimwear.
specialised route.
Yeah.
So 80% of our customers were requesting swimwear, and we're like, well, it's quite obvious. And then all of a sudden we found this amazing fabric supplier made in Vietnam, which makes some of the best swim fabrics in the world.
Wow.
You know, doing that research and then seeing, first of all, that what we want to do is in Vietnam. We also had to look at other companies and other suppliers that are doing similar to us and how we can differentiate ourselves.
I like the example of sportswear. People come to me and they say, oh yeah, I want to produce sportswear. And then, I mean, the obvious thing is, okay, have you studied Nike? Have you studied Lululemon? Have you studied Adidas and Puma? Because they're dominating the sportswear market and you're going to be competing against them. So step one is you need to know how those brands are doing well and where they're positioned in the market.
Right.
And then you got to figure out where you're going to fit in and actually convince your community, your target customers, to buy your sportswear and not Nike, Lululemon, Adidas, and Puma. So, you know, if you haven't done your market research and understand those brands, your competition, how are you going to know how to position yourself?
Give an example for a client come to me. She is Vietnamese, living in Vietnamese, but she is Canadian, and she wants to do like leather cover for notebook. And that is her product, but she didn't do any market research, and when she come to find me, she just have an idea. So I asked her, like, you should do market research. Why? Because she think that the notebook is very important for the businesswoman like her, will need to buy it. And then I told her that I never use notebook. I only have my iPhone, and then the notebook and email, everything is on my phone. So out there, maybe a 1,000 clients same as me. So who will buy a notebook?
Notebook cover.
Notebook cover. So then you should think about the target of price, the target of client, everything before you do it. And then that's very good for her because she came back, and then she came back to see me, and then she started to have many other ideas.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.